Life process. The topic which we study in this chapter are nutrition, respiration, transport, excretion in plants and animal both. Today topic introduction. What is life process? Characteristic of living things. Why energy is needed for life process. Nutrition, mode of nutrition, type of heterotrophic nutrition, nutrient. Nutrition in plant. Raw material for photosynthesis. How the plants obtain carbon dioxide. Let's start. Introduction. What is life process? The basic function performed by human organisms to maintain their life on this earth are called life process. Example: nutrition, respiration, transport, expression, control and coordination, growth, movement, reproduction, etc. Characteristic of living things. Living things can move by themselves. Living things need food and water. Living things can grow. Living things can respond to change around them. They are sensitive. Living things respire. Living things excrete. Living things can reproduce. Why energy is needed for life process? Food is a kind of fuel which provides energy to all living organisms. The energy required by an organism comes from the food that the organism eat. Actually, all living organisms continuously need energy for the life process and other activities which they performed. Nutrition. The process of taking in of the food and utilizing its nutrient is called nutrition. It is a process in which food is obtained in order to utilize it to provide energy for performing various metabolic activities of the organism. Mode of nutrition: autotrophic nutrition, heterotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic. Autotrophic nutrition is that mode of nutrition in which an organism obtains their own food by the process of photosynthesis. Is known as autotrophic nutrition, also known as autotrophs. Example: blue-green algae and green plant. Heterotrophic mode of nutrition are in which organisms depend on other organisms for their food, such as microorganisms, fungi, bacteria. Heterotrophic mode of nutrition are three types: saprotrophic nutrition, parasitic nutrition, holozoic nutrition. Saprotrophic nutrition. Saprotrophic mode of nutrition in which organisms obtain their food by the dead and decaying matter are known as saprotrophic nutrition. Example: fungi, mushroom, yeast. Parasitic nutrition. Parasitic nutrition is a mode of nutrition in which organisms obtain its food by the other organism's host body without killing it, such as fungi, bacteria, cuscuta, amarbale, roundworm. Holozoic. Holozoic nutrition is a mode of nutrition in which organisms obtain its solid food, such as cat, dog, cattle, amoeba, human. Nutrient. Nutrient are chemical compounds, the food that are used by body to function properly and maintain health, such as protein, fat, carbohydrate, vitamins and minerals, salt, starch, etc. Nutrition in plants. Raw material for photosynthesis: carbon dioxide, water, chlorophyll, sunlight. Extra glucose are stored in cellulose or glycogen. How the plant